Good morning. Good morning, Toast. Yeah. Did you have a nice night? Hello, beautiful. How are you? It's good to see you. All right, first things first, let's get you medicated. And then we'll have some fun. Are you hungry? Would you like your breakfast ASAP? Yeah. I don't know why you're so excited. It's just plain kibbles this morning. Okay, come on. There you go. Good boy. Good girl, Stockings. She definitely likes this new food better. There you go. Oh, but I forgot to take a photo of the dishes. Let me get photos. Yeah, we're giving Stockings a chance to finish her meal. Oh, it bounced out of there, darn. But he has it all worked out. Stockings, go eat your food, please. Your lucky Toast hasn't gobbled it up yet. You're being so silly. Stockings, I really think you should go eat more of your food. Oh, you poor girl. She's not making the best choices this morning. I put a treat on her food to entice her some more, but she's very distracted by all the movement outside. A storm's coming in, and we're actually expecting rain this morning. So I think she's a bit hyped up about it. Yeah, she's distracted. See that twitchy tail? My goodness. Toast, thank you for being a good boy today. I just took care of the waters and litter box upstairs. We have nice clean litter boxes here. I thought it might be fun to put a tunnel here, just to shake things up a bit. As you can see, both cats are already disengaged from me. They're not even following me upstairs like they normally do, which means they are looking to settle down for their morning naps, most likely. Do you like your packing insert? I put a tunnel out. Did you hear it falling down? Where's your sister? Oh, she's over there. She is very distracted by what's going on outside. It's very blustery. Oh, we're in our man cave. Would you like a tunnel added to your man cave? And this one. How cool is that? Maybe we do it like this. Are you gonna go for it? Good boy. He doesn't know what to make of it. Good boy, Toast. Okay, let's put it maybe right here. And that will be fun for you. Okay, I'm gonna sit on the couch and we'll see if either of them want to join me. And hopefully maybe I can get Stockings to eat a little bit more. Stockings! Are you coming over? He's a good boy. Are you gonna join me? No, it's not up there. I moved it. There's no food up there, buddy. He's a clever guy. Sorry, the lighting is not great. It's a very overcast morning here with that storm rolling in, but at least Stockings is joining me. Would you like to be brushed? All right, let me take care of that. Want to brushy brushy? Stockings! Okay, so as you can see, they are still feeling socially satisfied. I mean, Mom and Dad were just home yesterday. She doesn't want to be brushed, but she did come and say hi to me on the couch, which is nice. I love that our friendship continues to progress. And after I write the report card, I'm going to try to feed her one more time. I'm moving some of Toast's kibbles over here in the hopes that it'll distract him. And it looks like it's working. At least a little bit. I'm putting the rest away to create scarcity so that you appreciate it more. Okay. Thank you for the hugs. Toast, could you please focus on your own meal? On your pineapple? While we let Stockings have a fighting chance. No, you don't want it. You don't eat out of people's hands. Okay, good. Good boy, Toast. Who's a good boy? Sometimes he can be distracted by love. Good boy. You're so handsome. You are just such a good boy. Yes, you are. Look at that belly. Ruh-roh. No, Toast. We're not going to do that. Thank you. Good boy. All right, that was pretty successful for Toast. Don't be like that. Well, I'm going to clean up a bit and turn off the lights, and we will call this a visit. Stockings, are you going to come back? You going to grab a quick nibble before? No? Okay, well, I'll end the video here, but I'm going to clean up a bit before I go. Have a great day. Hello, hello. Good afternoon. Hi. Why don't I just put this right here? Since you're already halfway into it. There you go. Oh, we got lots of litter on the floor. Yes, we did. I'm going to have to sweep that up, aren't I? Who's got a tail sticking straight up? Hello, beautiful. Oh, I'm so happy to see you. Look how shiny you are, beautiful girl. They're in good moods and everything's looking good. Look who's getting in on the action. That's a good girl, Stockings. She went through it once already. I tried to get photos, but it's a little dark in there. It's a little dark in the tunnel. Oh! Are we gonna go potty? How about I toss some toys? I think that would be fun. She's still very distracted by all the bluster outside. We only got a little bit of rain. For like all of the news that was saying that, oh, it's gonna be a storm, it really wasn't. But we do have some more rain coming. Boop, boop, boop. Yeah, we don't love this. Oh, good girl. Yeah. Oh, you're getting it good. Yes. Good girl, Stockings. Wow, she is really engaging today. Has the storm got you all hyped up? How about you? Do you want to try it? It's touching your booty. Oh, no. Okay. Let's do some normal toy toss. We like that, don't we? How about a moosey? Toast? He's down there somewhere. Making loud noises, so it's fun. We have this thing that never sticks, but I'm gonna put it on there anyway. Ooh, big watermelon. Yeah, see, she's just totally distracted by all the birds and stuff outside, and Toast is. Let me toss some toys this way. Yeah, he's not into it. Good boy. Yeah, you're getting it sometimes. I moved their beds from the corner so that it's more of an interesting spot. Good boy. I think you guys have been playing a lot. They both seem very they're upbeat but kind of distracted. Yeah. Where are you going? You're all over the place today, my dear. Did you finally use your drop-in litter box for once? Just emptied out their water, refilling it with fresh water. Good girl. Yeah, you. Oh, thank you. I love your tail hugs. I'd pet you if I had a spare hand. I moved the tunnel again. Our waters are fresh and full, and our litter boxes are clean. Stockings is down there. Toast is still in the bedroom. Oh, there he is. And now I think it's time for dinner. So this is weird. You might notice that there is no Toast. I'm gonna have to go find him. Yeah, you're getting your dinner first. There you go. He must be distracted upstairs. Let's go find him. I'm gonna bring him his food while you work on that. Oh my goodness, Toast. Did you not hear me making your supper? You've been up here the whole time? Well, I guess this is how we're doing dinner tonight. Let Stockings be downstairs and Toast upstairs. Little Miss Ma'am, did you eat all your dinner? What are you doing up here? You better have eaten all your dinner. Happy girl, you like your pumpkin? Hot. Good boy, Toast. Very good boy today. So I had to move it and give it a little zhuzh in order to get him to be more interested in the stuff at the bottom, but he's going strong on that. And Stockings went downstairs for a bit. I hope she had more of her dinner, and now she's up in the window, and we're just hanging out. Isn't that right? You don't gotta put your ears back. I'm not gonna mess with your food. I think we've established that. When have I ever messed with your food except in a good way? All right, he needs to take a minute and digest. I think we're close to being done with dinner. Just closed the curtains and cleaned the dishes. And as you can see, there are no kitties down here. They are all upstairs. So I am going to go take care of Mr. Toast, and then we're gonna say goodnight. Well, Toast just got his meds. He's so good about it. He just lets me get right in there. I mean, I'm a little quicker about it than that, but as you can see, he doesn't run away or anything. He's a very good boy. Yes, you. I love you so much. Are you gonna have a fun night watching the rain and the birds and bothering your sister and playing with all your toys? And then I'll be back in the morning at dawn. Yes, I will. I love you too. You're such a good boy. We love a good neck rub, don't we? You're such a good boy. Okay. And Stockings, can I say goodnight? What you doing? She loves being by the fresh water. Oh, there you go. I had a little static built up from Toast. But you have a great night too, Miss Ma'am. You're a very good girl and I love you. And I'll be back in the morning. Bye-bye.